Patients often ask, what is the best dental implant brand? But experienced dentists usually ask a different question. Which implant system is appropriate for this patient, this bone, this restoration, and this long-term maintenance plan? Because a famous name alone cannot correct poor diagnosis, poor positioning, or an unsuitable crown. A dental implant brand is more than a titanium screw. It is a complete system containing implant fixtures, healing components, abutments, screws, restorative parts, digital libraries, surgical instruments, and laboratory connections. The dentist must consider not only how the implant enters the bone, but also how the final crown or bridge will connect to it, and how that restoration can be maintained years later. One consideration is the quality and depth of clinical documentation. Dentists look for reliable manufacturing, biocompatible materials, documented surfaces and connections, quality control systems, and clinical evidence relevant to the intended use. Regulatory clearance is important, but it does not mean that every system is identical or that one implant design is ideal for every clinical situation. Marketing claims should never replace independent evidence and professional judgment. The patient's anatomy and health influence system selection. The clinician may consider available bone density, implant position, proximity to anatomical structures, gum thickness, smoking, medical history, and whether grafting is required. An implant used for a single front tooth may require different restorative and aesthetic considerations from implants supporting a full-arch bridge. The brand is selected within the treatment plan, not before the diagnosis. The final tooth should guide the implant plan. Dentists evaluate the implant's diameter, length, connection, restorative components, emergence profile, and whether the crown can be screw-retained or requires another design if the implant is placed in an incorrect position. Even an excellent implant system can create aesthetic, mechanical, or cleaning problems. Successful treatment depends on the surgery and restoration being planned together. International patients should consider another factor: future access to compatible components. Years later, a crown screw, abutment, or restoration may need maintenance or replacement. A widely supported system can make it easier for a dentist in another country to identify and obtain the correct component. This does not automatically make every smaller brand unsuitable, but long-term serviceability should be discussed before treatment. After treatment, ask for an implant passport or written device record. It should identify the manufacturer, implant system, dimensions, placement site, and other available product information. Keep this record with your dental documents. A photograph of the label or vague statement, such as Swiss implant, is not as useful as exact system identification. Before choosing a system, ask, why is this implant suitable for my case? How strong is its clinical documentation? Are genuine restorative components being used? Will I receive the implant record? Can compatible parts be sourced in my home country? And who will manage the implant if the crown requires maintenance? These questions are more useful than asking only which brand is most expensive. A reputable implant system matters, but it is only one part of the outcome. Diagnosis, three-dimensional positioning, surgical technique, restoration design, hygiene, and long-term follow-up remain essential. At Renova Clinic, implant selection should follow the clinical and restorative plan rather than a one-brand-fits-all promise. Ask for the exact system in writing and keep its documentation after treatment.